Okay, fine. Welcome, coach. Tell us your name.
My name is Khulufelo of coach Boyne United FC promotion side in the LFA of tennis, Khulufelo United Football Association.
Okay, fine. So tell us about your team. Like I could see that you're a good motivator, and then at some instances, some of your players did not take your instructions. So what is your action on that?
I believe that they are still young and there's room to learn, and then we will work on that. And sometimes to listen to your coach or taking instruction is very hard for young players because they haven't understood the concept of listening and taking instruction. So I think they will learn from this experience too.
Okay, so for how many seasons have you been with this team?
I've been with this team for 1 season in the promotion league, and then I've been with them for 1 season for the under 15s and under 17s.
Yeah, I can see your team, despite the loss, like we have been watching your opponents before. They're a really good side, and then you took them, you really gave them a hard time. And looking at the age, you guys are really young, and as you said earlier, room for improvement. So what team are you playing next, and where are you playing the team?
In terms of when I'm playing next time, so the league actually gives out the fixtures on Wednesday, so we always get to know where we are going to play and which opponent we're going to face on Wednesday. So for now we are taking.
Okay, in one phrase or one word, what would you say on your closure for today's game?
Ill-discipline from our players, but at the end they became motivated. All I can say is that they need to work as a team. In what way? Unity, I guess.
Sir, thank you so much. Can you please? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.